Today's Equipment Corner is brought to you by the East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales Parts Truck, where we bring parts and equipment to you.
Welcome back to this week's edition of Equipment Corner, where we're going to show you how to use one of our standard lockout kits. First and foremost, you take your door wedge. Put your door wedge in between the two jambs of the doors, press it down in there, and you can push it back just a little bit to be able to place your air wedge in. Once you've put in your air wedge, you're going to slide that in right past the weather stripping and start pumping. Once you've pumped it out, the door is going to have a slight bend to it and bend out for you to be able to take your long reach tool, slide your long reach in all the way inside. Once it goes in, grab a hold of your door handle, pop, and voila. Come on down to ectts.com. See our full inventory of car haulers, light, medium, and heavy duty wreckers. And also enjoy free shipping to the lower 48 on all orders placed over $50. Just remember, we're here for you. Be safe.